In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. We'll start by creating a board from scratch, then I'll show you how to create one using a template so you can choose the method that fits your workflow. Begin on your Monday.com home. From here, open your workspaces. This is where all your teams and projects live, and creating a board inside the right workspace keeps everything organized and easy to find. Look for the plus icon to create something new. When you hover over the options, choose Board. This opens the board creation window. Select New Board to build one from scratch. Give your board a clear, descriptive name so teammates can instantly recognize its purpose. For example, you might include the team name and time frame. Next, choose the privacy setting. Public makes the board visible to everyone in your account, while private restricts access to invited members only. Some plans also include shareable, which is useful if you collaborate with external partners. Pick the option that matches your needs and your company's data policies. You'll also be asked what you're managing in this board. This helps Monday.com tailor the initial structure with columns and groups that fit common use cases like projects, tasks, or requests. Select the option closest to what you plan to track. When everything looks good, click Create Board. Your board is now live and ready for items, columns, and automations whenever you're ready to build it out. Now let's create a board using a template. Click the plus icon again and hover over Board. This time, choose Start with Template. Templates are great when you want a proven structure without starting from a blank canvas. Browse to all templates to see the full library, then head into the General Templates category for versatile options that work across many teams. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to find a specific template by name or function. Click the template you like to preview it. You'll see example groups, columns, and views that show how work will be organized. If it fits your needs, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board based on that design, and you can customize it further afterward. That's it. 2 straightforward ways to create a new board in Monday.com. Use New Board when you want full control from the start, or use Template when you want to move faster with a ready-made structure. Thanks for watching and happy building.